We got our brute winder here from Sure Winder. It's like a sweet, we're gonna put it on. We're gonna give it a shot. All right, so it's on there. Be good. All right, so now we gotta hold it as we take out some of these extra nuts. The set monstrosity.
Yes, sir. Just gonna loosen the set screws. It's gonna bring full tension onto the monster.
Freaking, that's brute winder for you right there. That's what it's holding. Look at that. That was holding. See that right there?
Yeah, looks good.
Now
we go to the wall. And we hook it up to the brute winder, and she winds up on it. Natural.
check the tension on it.
We just made a very light work of a giant spring.
Oh, wait till we tension these bad boys up. One more revolution and I think it's pretty good. I think we're there, yeah. One more. Nope. Too much. I was around the money.